This is a video on how to make the best microwave rice ever. I'm going to use a glass bowl that holds 7.5 cups. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 1.5 cups of rice to the bowl. That will make enough rice for about 4 or 5 people. First I'm going to wash the rice. Okay, I rinsed the rice 2 times. Now I'm adding 1.5 cups of water. Now I'm going to get 2 plates, one to go under the rice so that it doesn't make the bottom of the microwave wet, and one to go on top of the rice. And we will put it on for 20 minutes. I'll see you in 20 minutes. The reveal. And there we have it, the perfect microwave rice. Let's stir it. Look at the consistency. It's so fluffy and beautiful. And then you can fluff it up. Or, what I like to do is add a big chunk of butter to it. Like this. And then stir it all up. And then you get a cute little bowl. And you serve it out. Ta-da! The best microwave rice.